Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M31s, and let me show you how to allow the camera in this app to scan QR codes. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and now after making sure that you're on a photo mode, just tap on the settings icon in the left upper corner. As you can see, on the fourth position we've got scan QR codes option. Now it is off, but if you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, from now on it is active. Let's get back to the camera, and I know that actually nothing happened, nothing changed, but no worries. If you will position your device right in front of the QR code, then it will scan it and detect it. And if you want to turn off this option, just go back to the settings. So let's tap on it and tap on the switcher to turn it off. But I highly recommend to leave it like this, because this is the fastest way and actually the easiest way to scan QR codes without any additional extra third-party apps. So actually that's all. This is how to allow the camera to scan QR codes in your Samsung Galaxy M31s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.